Hello everyone, welcome to another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekan Israel, your Prepclass tutor, and it's another wonderful session of learning. I hope you are ready to embark on this journey of learning together with me. Right, let's begin, because in this session we will be answering questions from the JAMB English 2019 past question 50 to question 55. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming JAMB examination. So, before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's move on to the question section quickly. Now, question 51, the instruction reads, in each of the questions 51 to 60, although in this video we are just answering question 51 to 55. So, in each of the questions 51 to 55, choose the word or phrase which best fill the gap in each sentence. In each of the questions 51 to 55, choose the words or phrases which best fills the gap in each sentence. So question 51 reads, I am very sorry dash to attend the meeting yesterday. A. I am very sorry for failure to attend the meeting yesterday. B. I am very sorry in failing to attend the meeting yesterday. C. I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. D. I am very sorry to having failed to attend the meeting yesterday. Now, looking at these options, two options are actually out of the question. Option B and D are already out of the options. They are actually wrong constructions. Fitting them into the sentence is wrong. Option B, I am very sorry in failing to attend the meeting yesterday. That is a wrong construction, an obviously wrong construction. Option D, I am very sorry to having failed to attend the meeting yesterday. That is another obvious wrong construction. So the answer is between option A and option C. But the answer to this question is option C. The correct answer to this question is option C. I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. Now, it is not option A. I am very sorry for failure to attend the meeting yesterday. Option A would have been correct if we had I am very sorry for my failure to attend the meeting yesterday. But saying I am very sorry for failure to attend the meeting yesterday is wrong. The correct answer is I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. Now, since the apology is happening at this moment, as at the moment of speech, the best tense of verb has to be one that is in a present form. Now, failing is a verb in a present form. Failing, ing, present continuous tense. So, I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. So, the answer is I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. Remember, the options were narrowed down to option A and C. But option A is wrong. Option C is the correct answer to this question. I am very sorry for failing to attend the meeting yesterday. So the answer to this question is option C. Right, let's move on to the next question, question 52. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to dash the people's ignorance. A. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in on the people's ignorance. B. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in with the people's ignorance. C. Old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in with the people's ignorance. Option D. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in by the people's ignorance. Now, the correct answer to this question is option A, cash in on. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in on the people's ignorance. To cash in on means to take advantage of. So, the old politicians were discredited because they tried to take advantage of the people's ignorance. So, the answer to this question is option A. The old politicians were discredited because they tried to cash in on the people's ignorance. Okay, the next question is question 53. Remember, we have to select the option, the most appropriate option to fill in the blank space. So, question 53 reads, the plane overshot the dash in a minor accident. A. The plane overshot the railway in a minor accident. B. The plane overshot the hangar in a minor accident. C. The plane overshot the tarmac in a minor accident. D. The plane overshot the runway in a minor accident. Now, the answer to this question is option D, runway. The plane overshot the runway in a minor accident. Now, a plane takes off and lands on a runway. When the plane wants to take off, it runs on the runway. When it wants to land, it lands on the runway. Now, when we say the plane overshot, the runway, it simply means that the plane has gone beyond the runway either during takeoff or landing. So, the plane overshot the runway simply means that the plane has gone beyond the runway either during takeoff or landing. When the plane wants to take off, if this is the runway and this is the end of the runway, the plane overshot the runway, it went beyond the runway during takeoff. Even if the plane wants to land, the plane can still overshoot the runway. If the plane extends, if the plane goes beyond the runway when trying to land. So, the plane overshot the runway in a minor accident. To overshoot means to extend, to go beyond the runway during takeoff or landing. So, the answer to this question is option D. The plane overshot the runway in a minor accident. Moving on to the next question, question 54. Journalists always collect and publish A, information. B, journalists always collect and publish an information. C, journalists always collect and publish some information. D, journalists always collect and publish information. Remember, we have to select the most appropriate option to fill the blank space in the sentence. Now, the answer to this question is option D, information. Journalists always collect and publish information. Now, the word information is an uncountable noun and it should never have an S. So, option A, informations, is wrong. Now, an information is also wrong because information is an uncountable noun. So, it cannot be used with an indefinite article and. Uncountable nouns can never be used with indefinite article. A water. Water is an uncountable noun. So, you cannot use indefinite articles with uncountable nouns like water, information, and the likes. And information is wrong. Now, some information is also wrong. Now, when you use some with information, it is always used with about. Example, I need some information about the course. So, whenever you use some with information, about must follow them. So, the answer to this question is option D. Journalists always collect and publish information. Option A, informations, is wrong because the word information is an uncountable noun and it should never come with an S. Option B, an information, is wrong because uncountable nouns like information do not use indefinite articles like an. Option C, some information, is wrong because whenever you use some with information, about must go with it. I need some information about the village. But the answer to this question is information, option D. Journalists always collect and publish information. Okay, moving on to the next question, question 55. Remember, we have to select the most appropriate option to fill the blank space in the sentence. Question 55 reads, after the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm dash. A. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm was beginning to wane. B. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm was waning. C. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm began to wane. Option D. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm had been waning. Now, the answer to this question is option C. Now, this sentence is an example of a sentence in the past perfect tense form. The sentence is in the past perfect tense. Now, a past perfect tense sentence is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. Now, looking at this sentence, after the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm dashed. That means the team conceded 2 goals first. That action happened before whatever thing happened to their enthusiasm. So, after the team had conceded 2 goals, now the first action is concluded. They had conceded. This is a past perfect tense. The word had shows that it is perfect. Now, after the first action has been concluded, they had conceded 2 goals. Another action is about to begin in the past. Remember, a past perfect tense sentence is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. So, the first action that happened in the past was the team conceded 2 goals. So after they had conceded 2 goals, now the second action is about to begin. Their enthusiasm began to wane. Remember, a new action is about to start in the past, although it ended in the past. So when you want to start, what do? You begin. So since it is in the past, it becomes began. Their enthusiasm began to wane. So the answer to this question is option C. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm began to wane. Add past perfect. So the answer to this question is option C. After the team had conceded 2 goals, their enthusiasm began to wane. Their confidence began to drop. Their passion began to drop. It began to reduce. Right, and that is the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to join us on WhatsApp. We are very much active on WhatsApp. Check for the link to our WhatsApp group in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to share with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.